Contraptions here, and today we're checking out a little handy field hack. So I had a little spark plug problem going on. I wasn't getting any spark, and it turns out the spark plug had this little ring key thing on it that had been messed with. So I took that off, and what I did was I just clipped off the end of the spark plug wire here. See? And I put it under a little adapter there. So just screwed it right in there, just like you screw on like an electrical light switch. And we'll start it up for you here. Switch on position.